So hello everyone, I welcome you all to this small YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss some of the very amazing tricks from structure of atom. Alright, now let us see the first trick. See, here comes the first trick. In the examination you will be asked many questions from spectral line series. Am I right? Now if they ask you to calculate lambda, what is the formula of lambda? Lambda is equal to 1 by RH into 1 by n1 square minus n2 square. What is the value of RH then? RH is equal to 109677 centimeter inverse. Now if you substitute this value here, 1 by 109677, oh my god, it's a very headache, lengthy calculation, hard, right? So here comes a shortcut trick. Instead of solving like this 1 by 109677 centimeter inverse, you will get a lot of calculation mistakes also, lot of time consuming also. Just substitute this 1 by RH is equal to 912 angstrom here and you can get the answer in seconds. Am I right? So this is the first trick. Let us move on to the next trick. Now trick number 2 is specially regarding the formulas. See, we have some formulas. The formulas like energy of the nth orbit minus 13.6 z square by n square, radius 0.529 into n square by z, velocity it's 2.188 into 10 power 6 z by n. See, these are some basic formulas and maximum students they'll remember these constants. Even if you look at these formulas 4 to 5 times, you can grasp, you can by heart this quantities constants, but the real confusion comes is whether it is n square or z square or n square, whether z or n. So here comes the major confusion. See, while you start remembering, while you start by hearting these formulas, in the beginning you might not feel difficult, but when you sit for the exam and when you try to recall the formulas, you definitely will be getting confused whether z square or n square in the formula of energy, or n square by z square, or only z by n. See, in this type you will get a lot of confusions. So in order to rectify those, remove those confusions, I have brought a simple trick to remember these formulas. Now imagine we have a student, okay, his name is Erwin, okay, his name is Erwin. He is studying in a school. The name of his school is ZNZ. Okay, Erwin named student, he is studying in ZNZ school. Now each and every school has some unique codes. Now this school also has a unique code like 2221. 2221. See, again I'm telling, we have a student Erwin, he is studying in ZNZ school, its code is 2221. In this manner we have to write 2 times jointly we have to write, next 21 separately we have to write. This is the actual trick, very simple. Just look at this carefully, okay, look at this for 2 or 3 minutes, focus here. Erwin named student, he is studying in ZNZ school, okay, ZNZ school, and code is 2221. Finished. Now how to write the formulas? Look at what I am doing carefully. First we need the formula for energy. Alright, energy, what I told you, the formula for energy minus 13.6. This 13.6 constant, everyone will remember. Now how to write this? See, just think whatever I have written here, this as numerator, okay, this as numerator. See, in our formulas we are just dealing with 2 letters, z n n z z n z n, only 2 letters, z and n. Suppose if you get z in numerator, z, we call it as z, some posh language, z, okay, if you get z in the numerator, then of course what will be left? N will be left, so n we will be writing small n. If I write capital N, then you will put a lot of comments, no need, z by n, okay, I'll write clearly, no need here. Energy of nth orbit 13.6, this constant everyone will remember. As we have z in the numerator, we will write z in the numerator. What is left? If I have written z, then we are left with n. Now what does this 2 denotes? 2 denotes square. One time I have written 2, it means square. Another 2 lies next to it, adjacent to it, it means n is also squared. See, you will understand this trick better if I write the formula for radius. Okay, let us write for radius of nth orbit, this 0.529, of course everyone will remember. Now how to write? Below r, which letter we have? N, write n. What we are left with? Z, so write Z here. Now we have only 1 2 Okay, only once we have 2, here twice we have 2. Alright, now as we have once 2, it means only n is squared. Getting my point? It's very simple. Now let us come to the formula for velocity. This is 1.88 constant. See, maximum times, let me tell you, just I'll be very clear. Maximum times they'll not ask you, maximum problems they'll not include the whole formula. The whole formula they'll not be asking. You can just go through the previous year questions as the NEET, AIPMT, JEE mains. They'll just be asking you to calculate something with this relation itself, with energy and z by n relation, with radius and n by z relation. Only with this relation they'll be asking you. In very rare cases you'll be getting some problems in which you have to use whole formula which include this constant also. Maximum time they'll be asking you, they'll give you fourth orbit, calculate the radius, fourth orbit of helium nucleus or lithium nucleus. So in this way they'll just be asking you, they'll be twisting you here itself with this only, not with the constant. So velocity of nth orbit 2.188 into 10 power 6. How to write what is below velocity z? So it lies in the numerator. We are left with n, right in the denominator. See, we have n, okay, we have 1 here, sorry, we have 1 here. It means nothing is being squared. We should not square any alphabet. Okay, see, here we had 2 times, so both numerator and denominator we squared. Here we have ones 2, it denotes numerator is squared. Okay, next we have 1, it means power 1, nothing is squared. Getting my point? See, in this way we can remember many formulas. See, potential energy is also z square by n square, kinetic energy z square by n square. Only in this relation only they'll be twisting you. Only with this relation itself they'll be twisting you. See, this question, as I remember, this was directly, this relation was asked in KVPY also. In 2020's KVPY, directly question based on this relation was been asked. And even in NEET AIPMT they'll be asking you the relation between radius and square, nth orbit. In helium nucleus, lithium nucleus, they'll be asking you energy in nth shell, nth orbit, and in this nucleus, in this atom. Just with this they'll be twisting you. Okay, just remember this. Just to prevent you from confusion, we have this trick. Erwin studying in ZNZ school, code is 2221. Finished. Leave it, no need. Okay, 1 2 3 formulas along with this potential energy, kinetic energy. So in this way we can remember these basic formulas which are very important. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, as well as share with your loved ones, because each and every like बहुत मायने रखती है. ठीक है? Thank you.